Hi everyone, this is Armin. Today I have an unboxing of the Seagate Expansion 8TB. It's available in other capacities as well. This is the 8TB model. I'll actually put all this information on the capacities and the other price ranges that you can actually buy these and where you can buy them. So now this is the 8TB expansion drive. Now the only purpose I bought this drive is only to put it on the PlayStation 4, since the PlayStation 4 just recently got a firmware update. But other than that, it's gonna have allow you to install an external hard drive that is 250 gigabytes. That's the minimum, and the maximum is all the way to 8 terabytes. This is the 8TB hard drive. There's really nothing too much about the box. It just says desktop hard drive in the front right there for PC. You can actually, if you're gonna use this on a Mac, you can actually connect it to your Mac and reformat it and do that. There are some software that may be on here. You may want to back those up first, then format the drive to be Mac compatible, and then put those back on the drive. But if you're doing this on the PS4, it's gonna be actually reformatted, and it's gonna definitely be you'll be losing those features, which obviously you won't need them. On this side of the box, it just shows the Seagate logo. It just says backup over here, PC. And this side of the box, it just says which operating system is compatible. So it's certified for Windows 7. It's Windows 8 compatible, as well as 8.1, and Windows 10 compatible. And this is just telling you that it uses USB 3.0. Oh, before I forget, you also need to have the drive like this one. It has to be a USB 3.0 in order to work. If it's an external hard drive that has USB 2.0, it will not work. So you need to keep that in mind when buying an external hard drive, as this one or other ones. So on the back, it just tells you how to generally look like when you set it up. There's different languages here on the back. Nothing too important on the front. I do want to remind you that this specific drive has 1 year. So Seagate is only giving you 1 year extension, 1 year warranty rather, on this. And if you want an extension warranty, you can't find it. Generally, the only thing they will offer you is for data backup recovery. Other than that, that's it, and we'll get to the unboxing. Okay, so there's a shrink wrap on top, so I'm going to cut the shrink wrap right here. And there's also a label sticker here, which is when you cut this, that means you generally have opened this and it's all used, so you want to cut that as well. Side opens at the top. That's what it looks like when you basically take it out of the box. Let's see if we can take the brown box out first. Okay. Now inside this box, we have some accessories. Okay. Firstly, you have your USB 3.0 Type A to USB 3.0, and this is, I think, a B. So you have that. You also have your power bank, battery, AC adapter. Let's see if we can take this out. So it looks like. it's a 7 amp adapter. So I think it's about 12 volts. So it's a 12 volt adapter. This is the connector where it goes to the hard drive. And right here is the drive. So I'm going to take this out with the plastic here. Firstly, you have this, some little information right here. It's this quick start guide. It's not too lengthy. They have them in a few different languages right here. Now here's the drive. It's kind of heavy because it is. They do have a desktop hard drive in there. It's got this diamond feel to it, diamond design, and in the front, it's not seeable, but there is a light in the front. The back here is where the power supply goes, and this is, let me turn it around, and here is where the USB 3.0 plug will go in, right there. Power supply and USB 3.0. There's some legs at the bottom, right here. So when you're placing it on the desk, this is what it looks like. It barely moves in its place. I mean, generally you're not going to move this that much. This is 8 terabytes. And we will be formatting this on the PS4, and I'll show you how you do that. Okay, so this is where you're gonna actually go and format the drive on the PS4. So you're gonna go to settings, then you're gonna go down until you see devices. In devices, you're gonna go down until you see USB storage devices. Now, in this specific drive, this is all for all external hard drives. They will be under a different name depending on the external hard drive you have. You're gonna click on the drive. Mine happens to be a Seagate. It'll give you all the information, expansion disk, Seagate is the manufacturer. Format is considered as unknown. The capacity is 8.01 terabytes. And there's an option here that says format as extended storage. You're gonna click on that. And it will just ask you, you can install applications in expanded storage. And when you do this, it will actually, so it will be saving your saved data, your screenshots, your video clips, will all be saved here, as well as you can also install install games on there as well. It's not just for saved data, screenshots, and video clips. So we're gonna click on next. And on this screen, you're going to see it says this device will be formatted as external extended storage. And when you formatted this device, all data on it will be deleted. Well, really don't have it because I just did the unboxing, so it's brand new. So I'm going to click on next, format rather. And it will just say this on this screen. It says this device will be formatted as extended storage. And we're just going to go to yes and click on yes. Now it's formatting the drive. It could take a bit depending on the type of the capacity of external hard drive you have. So I have an 8 terabyte, so this could take some time. Okay, so now it's formatted, and this is the screen you're gonna see after the formatting of the drive is finished. It will just say this device has been formatted as extended storage. Applications will now be installed in extended storage. And if you want to change that, you have to follow those prompts right there. So you will have to go to it says to change the installation location for applications, go to settings, storage, and then select application install location in the options menu. And if you want to stop using the extended storage, it is highly recommended to actually press and hold the PS button to display the quick start menu. And when you do the start menu, then it will stop it. I'll show you how you do that. So I'm going to click on next, OK rather. And here's the storage. It will still say expansion disk. It's made by Seagate. And it will have 222 kilobytes in use because it was formatted for the PlayStation 4. So it's got to take some storage in there, a small amount of file capacity. And now the capacity available to us is 7.35 terabytes, which is still a lot. So we're gonna see what this does. Okay, so this is just gonna show you the same information I just showed you, and it's gonna tell you the format is the PS4. But if it was on PC, this information will be on your PC or even your Mac, and will say formatted for PC or Mac. There's two options here. So the first option, if you want to stop it, actually, you want to click on the drive, stop using this extended storage, and if you want to manage the content, you will be selecting this. Now, currently, we really don't have much of a management to do. This is the internal drive. That is a 1 terabyte internal hard drive I bought myself. So I also have a 2 terabyte, I have another 1 terabyte, but this is just because they've been all scattered around in 3 different drives. I decided to buy this one, and this is the extended drive that you see with a hard drive logo on it. Okay, and in order to stop it from the quick menu, you're gonna push and hold the PS button. And when you are in the PS in the quick menu, you're gonna go down where it says you're gonna go down. You're gonna go to sound and devices, and in sound and devices, you're gonna go down, and you'll see this option says stop using extended storage. When you select that option, it will start performing it, and it will say you have stopped using the extended storage device, and you can safely remove it. So let's just push OK, and we want to re-enable that. It's not available, as you can see. So it's not in the system. So you want to go back to enable it. You want to go back to settings. There we go. Devices, and then you're gonna go down to USB storage devices, and then you're gonna click on this drive. The PS4 recognizes that the PS4 the external drive is actually connected, but it's disabled. So in order to enable it, you would have to go to those areas, and you're gonna actually click on this option, use this extended storage, and it will start applying, and there it is. The green light, that means it's on, and when that green light is out, which I think is kind of like gray, that will tell you that the drive is disconnected. So we're gonna go back, and now you can actually install any game that you want onto the drive. If you're gonna change the location of where you keep or install the games and your applications, you could do this. You could push options, and then in options you could select application install location, and then you could pick system storage or extended storage depending on which one is checked. Right now I have extended storage, so let's pick on system storage, and right here is showing that where the system storage is the location where your games, your add-ons, and all the other contents are going to be installed. And you're going to switch back. If you want to switch back, this is the option you want to do. Same process. So please remember to comment in the comment section, and thumbs up the video, subscribe, and I will post all the details about this external hard drive in the description. So thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.